Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
Good morning. Today is a Thursday. I'm about to go drop Callie off to school. I just put some of this on my lips, the Laniege lip mask in this grape flavor, one of my favorites. This is the most swollen they're gonna get. That's what everyone says. Like the next morning, I took put on my sweater and head out the door. My mom and I are actually also gonna go to Home Depot because we have to swap out some of the handles we got yesterday. Well, just two of them. So we're gonna go do that as well, and then maybe I'll just get something to eat on the way, like coffee or whatever. I don't even know what I should get. I don't know what I should drink in terms of like the cup, because I can't use a straw yet. So I don't know. I'll think about that while we're on our way, but just wanted to say hey to you guys. Good morning. My lips don't hurt as much, which is nice. The top one, like the ends, hurt a little bit, but besides that, it feels pretty okay. And then last night, y'all, in my dream, I caught myself almost biting my lip. Like, what was I dreaming about that made me want to do that? Like, I literally was about to go like, and then I caught myself, and I'm like, whoa. It be your own dreams. It be your own dreams. I just got to Home Depot. It's so cold. So we're gonna go to grab some coffee. I'm gonna try this place called Gregorys Coffee. So we stopped at Gregorys Coffee, I think it's called. Yeah, Gregorys Coffee. And I got this is the name here, Gregorys Coffee. And I got a gingerbread latte. Look at the cup, so cute. Little reindeer. And their like logo has glasses. So I guess they put the glasses on the reindeer. Like this is their logo. Super cute. Everything is really nice. Like, they have little napkins. Really nice. So yeah, just got a gingerbread latte. I'm gonna let that cool down before I drink it. And then I got, well, we got a carrot cake to share. So this is the carrot cake. Is it good? It looks very rich. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see that. Very good. Yeah.
That cake is good.
This carrot cake is good. You think Daddy will like it?
I've seen it. I mean,
Give him this, please.
what do you think Daddy doesn't like? I think Daddy would like it.
So we're gonna stop at Whole Foods real quick. This is a new Whole Foods that opened recently. It's in Chestnut Ridge in Jersey, like North Jersey. They also have a Sephora that's new here. So yeah, I usually go to Anthropologie across the street, but I noticed that there was a new little plaza and it has like quite a few stores. They have a nail salon, a clothing store, a Whole Foods, Sephora, a wine store, and a jewelry store. I go to Anthropologie, but I'm not sure. Okay. Wait, maybe this one's different. What does it say? Multivitamin. This one says First Defense. Yes, it's different. We are still out running errands, you guys. It's 12:30-ish. We are still out running errands. It's officially been 24 hours since my lips have been started, because I think I started around 12:30 yesterday. It's like 12, it's basically 24 hours. So this is what they look like. This is like maximum. I think this is like the maximum they're gonna swell. At least I hope. That's what everyone says. Everyone says the next day is the worst. So that's what they look like. The scarring is because I prematurely added a cream to them last night, the Amicare cream, and it started bleeding. All right, so I'm back home. I stopped at William Sonoma. We wanted to stop to just see like Christmas stuff and also kitchen things, since my mom's kitchen is getting redone. So I picked up a couple of things I wanted to get for the family. So I got some hot chocolate. It's vanilla with marshmallow. I thought this would be nice for maybe tomorrow night, because tomorrow is Friday. So we got this, and then I got these. Thought they were so cute, little snowflake marshmallows to go with the hot chocolate. So that's what I picked up there. If you have a William Sonoma next to you, definitely check it out. They always have the cutest seasonal things, like whatever the season is, they have the cutest little like treats and stuff. I think I told you guys this a couple vlogs back. I don't remember, but yeah. So I stopped there for that. Then we went to Whole Foods and I got some stuff. So I didn't end up going to a juice shop, but I did pick up some juices from Whole Foods just to have. So I wanted to get some for hydration. So I got these for hydration. These are strawberry, watermelon, and lime. And it's called strawberry H2O. So I thought it would be good for hydration, since, you know, I want to definitely hydrate my lips. So I got that, and then I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of this kind. This is cucumber, pineapple, turmeric, and lemon. The turmeric is good for inflammation, so I thought this would be great as well for inflammation. Got 2 of those, so I got 4. Then I wanted to try the little fresh press machine where you can squeeze your own grapefruit juice or orange. So I squeezed some grapefruit juice. This is like just pure grapefruit juice squeezed with that machine, which I try to show y'all, but I don't know if the camera captured what I was doing. Then I got some protein shake. I got this to drink on the way home, but then I forgot, so there's that. I notice whenever I drink protein shakes, I don't get as hungry as I usually do, so I've been trying to drink more. Then I got some spearmint tea. I heard this was good for PCOS, so I wanted to try it out, and I need to like reread what I heard it was good for specifically with PCOS, so I can let y'all know, but I'm gonna try this. And then I got some fenugreek. I heard this has a ton of good benefits as well. So I know one of the main things is lactation, but it also has a lot of other benefits that are really nice. So I wanted to try this. I saw it. They had it like on the front shelf of one of their little displays, and I was like, oh, let me try this. Picked up some spaghetti sauce. This one has white truffle, so I'm gonna try this out maybe over the weekend. And then I got this. I've been seeing this everywhere on my Instagram, so obviously I had to get it. This is like a fake wine basically. It's a sparkling white tea, ginger, and elderberry cocktail, and this one, it doesn't have any alcohol, so yeah. Then I lastly got some Mrs. Meyer's. This is the peppermint scent. This is a limited edition. I love this one. I always get their holiday scent, so I saw this. They were actually just stocking the shelves with this, so I had to pick it up. The one I had before was this one. I just emptied it out a couple days ago. I was right on time for this. That's my little shopping haul from outside. I need to put these in the fridge. I think I'm gonna drink one right now. Actually, I'll drink a protein shake. I'll drink my shake and then I'll drink these a little later, because I want to make sure I have some protein in me. And the coffee, I wasn't the biggest fan of it, but I'll still drink it. I don't know, I got gingerbread, and I think gingerbread was just not what I thought it was.
His net worth dropped 94% in one day. Oh my god. Yeah, he got caught for fraud.
Alright, so I'm gonna actually start working on uploading my Vlogmas video. Turn the tree on. I just need to put in the product that I use, and then I can upload the video. Hey y'all, so I'm just pulling my hair up. Just uploaded Vlogmas video. Trying to get my hair out of my face. It's 2 o'clock right now. I need to get Callie a little bit over an hour from now, so I'm just trying to wrap up my day before I do that. I feel like my lips did get a little bigger, a little more swollen. I just got my protein shake. This is the one I bought from Whole Foods. I had this over the summer. Johnny's brother put us onto these over the summer and they were so good. I don't remember what flavor he had us try, but I remember really liking them, so I'll try this flavor. I'm like scared to drink stuff because I don't want to mess up my lips. But I'm thirsty. Also, my mom made chicken wings. They're not ready yet, but I'm gonna have them later. So excited. I love some stewed chicken wings. My favorite. I worked on a thumbnail for tomorrow's video. Takes away a little bit of stress. So I did that, which is nice. I'm responding to comments as well because I want to like respond to as many comments. I want to respond to as many comments as possible. So I'm responding to comments on the vlog that I posted today. So that way I try to stay on top of them because it'd be hard. It'd be real hard. Honestly, just like the fact that you guys watch my videos like makes me so happy. I think the guy, the contractor, is it? I think he's a contractor. He's put in, I think, either the fridge or the stove because it's making a lot of noise. I cannot wait to see the finished kitchen. And today we went to Sonoma. So like we were looking at like kitchen stuff a little bit, but we're gonna, I told my mom like Crate and Barrel has great stuff, so we're gonna go to Crate and Barrel to get like, we're gonna do like plates and stuff from Crate and Barrel. I'm excited because I love shopping for that stuff. I'll take any excuse to shop for kitchen stuff, whatever. I love shopping, so I'll take any excuse. Okay, so basically put me in charge of pretty much everything. Like I designed the kitchen. I think I told you guys I designed the kitchen. I picked everything out, picked out the knobs, the handles yesterday. I need to pick out a light fixture, so we're gonna look at that online and then decide like what we want to do. I'm gonna help pick out like the kitchen stuff, like the plates and cups. They want like new things. Like my dad's like, we need new stuff. When Johnny says, how are you feeling about my lips? It's not a lot. Everyone says like your first syringe, like it's really not a big difference. Right now I'm obviously swollen, like the most swollen I'll be, so you could clearly see a difference, but the first syringe is not like a big difference once the swelling goes down. Even this is not a lot of swelling compared to what other people have when they have like multiple syringes. So I just wanted like a plump, hydrated look, and I think that's exactly what I'm gonna get, which I'm excited for once it heals. Although I love like full lips, like I think it looks really nice. So that's just me. I've always thought that. I've always been into like lip plumping glosses from like high school. I remember getting them. So it's always been my thing. I've always loved like lips, luscious lips. Lip plump didn't exist back then. But it does now. How many grams of protein is this? So I just got Callie from school. We're gonna go to Target to grab something real quick. Yeah, this should be a quick trip. It's so cold, y'all. It's freezing outside. It's like 20 degrees, I think. Crazy. There's your friend. Hey you guys, I've been pretty MIA for the past few hours. I got home from Target and I haven't really vlogged since. We did get a couple things at Target. Like I got a couple things for the kids at Target, so I'll show you guys what I got. But it's like 10:30 right now. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'll show you guys what we picked up. Alright, so I'll show you guys what I got from Target for the kids. Just some pajamas. Because I saw these from in the holiday selection. I really wanted those with like beards on them. Like it's like a bunch of men faces with different color beards. I saw Sharika B posted in TikTok or Instagram, and I really want those, but I didn't see them at my Target. So I'm gonna keep looking because I really like the style. But I got these for the kids for now. These are what I picked out. I just got one for each size. Size 10 for Clay and then size 8 for Callie. So that's what I picked up from Target. I also got Callie a video game. That's really why I went there. But yeah. So I need to get myself to bed. It is late, 10:46. Way past my bedtime. My kids have a half day tomorrow, I think. Great for them. not so great for me and my work days. So I haven't planned anything for tomorrow yet though, so I kind of need to plan around their schedule. Not that I have anything like significant going on, but I just want to make sure that I, you know, still am productive even if they're home. The vlog for tomorrow is already up, which is great, but I do need to make a reel. That shouldn't take too long, but I'm excited to see what my lips look like tomorrow. I feel like tomorrow they're gonna be a lot better. I feel like my bottom lip is getting to like what it's gonna look like. I actually really like the way my bottom lip looks right now. I know it's gonna get smaller because today is just day 2, which is like the biggest day. And like this morning I was looking crazy. I mean, it's still swollen now, but this morning was real swollen. So I know this is gonna get smaller, but I do like it right now. I still can't talk properly, but I did put some Laniege lip mask on my lips, and it's been keeping me nice and moisturized. So that's what I've been using on my lips to keep them really hydrated. And I've just been, you know, staying hydrated. That reminds me, I need to go drink the rest of my watermelon juice that I got from Whole Foods. I need to also drink some coconut water. Anyways, you guys, I think I'm gonna go to bed now, take a shower and go to bed, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.